Well, hey, fancy meeting you here. I'm Kristen from One Focus Property Management, and today we're taking the tour of 340 North Washington Street in Montoursville, Pennsylvania. Y'all, I hope you have some time. I hope you're sitting down. I hope you got a little delicious iced coffee on you because this is a massive house. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and I am going to literally blow your hair back. So instead of standing here talking, I'm gonna walk you through this entire place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we are starting outside today, right on Washington Street. You can see we're on the corner. So check out this really cute surrounding neighborhood. And then we have the gorgeous exterior of this home. When we come up the main steps, first of all, gorgeous cast iron planters. You can certainly plant in those if you'd like to. But I mean, let's talk about this porch. We have got a stunning wraparound porch that gives you every opportunity and ability to be able to put some furniture out here. I can see some gorgeous rocking chairs to just soak in this adorable neighborhood. So let's come inside. And we are immediately greeted, I would say kind of like entry, kind of like sitting room, and then it goes into a living room. Honestly, you can slice these spaces up however you want to. We've got a really great space here. It follows the curve of that porch there. Lots of windows. There's some double doors here, and these kind of bifold and come out and close. So if you wanted to separate this space out, you certainly could. I absolutely love this alcove. I would literally put something in there so I could just lay in this window like a cat. Like, it is unreal. It is also so beautiful, and it brings in a lot of natural light. A beautiful ceiling fan up there. And this leads you into the kitchen. The kitchen. Can we talk about it? First of all, you've got this great workspace set up here. So if you want to set up a little home office or maybe just like a bill pay center, you can certainly do that. But there is plenty of room if you'd like to be able to set up a table and chair set in here. And I'm going to get to another space that you might be able to be more effective with setting up a little space. But again, slice it up however you want. You've got this great overhang here. So if you want to add some stools, do a little breakfast nook action. Also, I mean, can we talk about the actual amount of cabinets and countertops? There is legitimately so much. I also am loving that we're matching everything up here with the black and stainless. You've got the full appliance package in here. And when you come over here, just so you can take a look, a little closer look, you've got plenty of opportunity to be able to store things. But if that's not enough, going down to the basement, you've got this little pantry space. When I was growing up, they called this can storage. Like, this is where you put all your cans, like down in the basement back in the day. And we're just gonna pop down here real quick. She's not a finished basement, but she's also not disgusting either. Got your heating system there. It's not a terrible space. Certainly open and available for your storage needs. And also, there's definitely more places for storage. So let's keep on going through here. We've got a little hallway down here. And when we come straight down, you have your laundry room. Surprise, surprise. It's a big laundry room. You can certainly fit your machines in here. You've got plenty of space to be able to do that. You also have a little closet here for storage. In this room here, we have a bathroom. Cutesy vanity, gorgeous shower. I mean, seriously, small little lip there, but definitely accessible for a lot of people. I love how wide it is, and it's a really nice broad space. Coming around here, this is the space that I was talking about. You could certainly make this kind of like sunroom solarium space into a really nice dining room area. You've got a closet here for storage. It lets you out into the backyard. So you've got covered area here. You could certainly do a little patio set, and then you've got use of the yard. And if that's not enough, because guys, we are gonna be going for a hot minute in this place. I'm gonna come right out here. This is a huge property, by the way. It's in town, but she's big. So you have 2 garage bays. So you can see you can park just on this part of the concrete in front of the garage bays. You've got a man door right here. And look how big this is. So if you need more storage, you have plenty of storage, and this will easily fit 2 cars. So let's go back in. Also, let's just drink in how gorgeous this is. I mean, seriously, we're in the middle of town, but it feels like we could be just sitting right out in the middle of the country too. It's quiet, serene right now. It's absolutely beautiful. And when we come inside, we're gonna come back through this gorgeous kitchen, back past my iced coffee. We are going to come all the way in through here. Take a look at this gorgeous woodwork. That's gonna lead us right upstairs. Love the window at the top of the steps. Old school thing, absolutely love it. It's a feature that these old homes have that just really brings in more natural light, because we always could use natural light. Now we've got the first bedroom here. This does not have a closet. That actually will stay locked. That's attic access. But you've got plenty of room for up to a queen size bed for sure. Coming across the hall here, the second bedroom. This is also going to be well suited, probably for a full size to a queen size bed. And then we have the master here, which will absolutely fit a king size bed. You have beautiful bay style windows. And I'm just gonna walk you through from this side out this door here. So we come down here, we've got this huge little area, I'm an oxymoron. This huge area here with 2 full-size closets. You've got this fabulous accent mirror, and it leads you right into here. Are we kidding? Like, are we being so real with this bathroom here? Look at this gorgeous clawfoot tub, and you have the stand-up shower. I mean, seriously. And then you have this gorgeous vanity with storage underneath, and it leads you right into the walk-in closet. I mean, seriously. I'm so glad I saved this for last, because it is absolutely one of my favorite things about this home. Y'all, is this place not incredible or what? I know I told you that in the very beginning. So what you need to do to call this place home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because y'all, I don't know if you can tell, but I am chomping at the bit to help you make this home.